Hey guys, I'm Aidan, and we all know a good night's sleep is super important for your overall health. But every now and then, it can be hard to fall asleep. Maybe you have a big test in the morning, or maybe even a big game. Whatever keeps you up at night, here are a few things doctors recommend you do in order to get a great night's sleep. First, remember to always stay active. Exercise in general will help you to get a great night's sleep. It uses up energy and helps to regulate your body temperature. At least 60 minutes of exercise per day is the perfect amount for most kids and teens. Second, be sure to watch the clock. Staying up too late can obviously prevent you from getting enough sleep, but did you know it would actually take you longer to fall asleep if you go to bed too late? This third one is tough for us all, but remember to always power down those devices. The blue light emitted by mobile devices, computers, and the television can definitely keep you awake. Turning off your devices at least an hour before bedtime will help you fall asleep a lot easier. And finally, be sure to set the scene. A calming bedroom atmosphere will always help you fall asleep a lot easier. Be sure the room is nice and dark and the temperature is comfortably cool. A good night's sleep will not only help you increase brain function, but it will give you more energy overall. Following these tips are a great way to make sure you're always getting the amount of sleep your body needs. And that's the juice!